Alright, we got the 2.1 throttle walk through here. So we have throttle, and that's idle. Right now, since the motor is off, the governor is pulling the throttle full. There's a spring, pulls that throttle to full. So right now it's at full throttle. So that spring down here is going to be loose because the throttle's at full and the linkage is at idle. Now, when I pull that governor arm towards the carburetor, now it's at idle and the linkage is at idle. So that's all the slack. That little bit of slack is all you need. When you go to full throttle, that is pulling on that string to stretch it, which is going to overcome that governor and force this thing to continue being at full throttle on the water. Now, out of the water, there's no load, so the engine can go above the RPM point to where the governor would actually limit RPM out of the water, but it will not do that in the water. In the water, you will have full throttle all the time because there's load on that impeller, and the engine cannot develop enough RPM to go past the point where the governor spring could actually limit that RPM. So that is what your throttle should look like. You see that's idle position. That's full. When it's at full, you'll see that spring pretty much crunched up to nothing. That's full throttle, and that's all you need. That's all you're going to get, and that will have full throttle at the carburetor.